this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Google Files app. If Google Files app is not working, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, in the first method, we need to access Files app info page. To do this, just long press on your Android smartphone on the app and you should see app info. However, if you don't see this app info, you should have a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Files app info page. At this point, first you need to stop this file by clicking on for stop. This will disable or stop any background activities that might be causing this app to malfunction. So if Files app couldn't open, maybe you couldn't access files or it was crashing each and every time, then this step should be able to fix. Once you're done, now go to clear data and then clear cache and finally OK. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone and go open your app, and now it should be working without any issue. However, if this does not solve your problem, then you will need to go to Google Play Store and search for your app. So I'll search for Files like that, and if I run the app, you can see we have the app here. Check and see if we have an update, then update your files to the latest version. This will help you use the latest version of Google Files app that is supported. However, if this does not work, maybe your app still crashes, then for that you need to uninstall Google Files app and then install it afresh. Now, by doing this, you will have cleared any bugs that might be associated with the older version of Google Files app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.